Welcome to I am a Cooker channel. Today we are going to make Cajun Mixed Delight. For this I am taking half a pound of shrimp, half a pound of sausage. Sausage meat can be your choice. 1 potato sliced, half onion finely chopped, 2 tablespoons garlic finely chopped, 3 tablespoons Cajun seasoning, 2 cups of water. To this hot pan I am adding the butter. Once the butter is melting, we're going to add the onions and the garlic. After sauteing the onions and garlic for 2 minutes, I'm going to add the cut potato and sausage. After sauteing the mixture for 2 minutes, I'm going to add the Cajun seasoning. Next, I'm going to add the water. After adding water, let it cook for 5 minutes. We're going to cover it up. After 5 minutes, I'm going to add the shrimp. Mix it well and cover and cook for 5 more minutes. After 5 minutes, your Cajun Mixed Delight is ready. Your Cajun Mixed Delight is ready. Enjoy the recipe. I will add the Cajun seasoning recipe in the description box. Thank you.